My name is Christina and I have JD here from JD Stage 2 Designs. We were talking about his new company. What is your first product that is available?
Our first product will be the JD Stage 2 Designs Saddle Up Saddle Bag. They give you extra room inside your Jeep or sports utility vehicle by riding on the rear tire. They hold up to 150 pounds of gear and are made out of strong, military-grade vinyl, with a military-grade strapping system. With these bags, you get 5,700 cubic inches of storage area. There is a strapping system on top for tents and/or sleeping bags. And it does not interfere with backup, brake or turn signal lights. It mounts on any rear tire sized from stock to 44 inches. Other products in development include a rear seat sliding system for Jeeps that allows you to slide the rear seat forward. I'm also designing a handicapped lift system for easier entry into Jeeps and sports utility vehicles. Being a disabled veteran myself with a back injury, I'm very dedicated to creating products that aid in the continued use and enjoyment of Jeeps, sports utility vehicles and other 4x4 vehicles.
How long have you been producing this product?
I've been working on Jeeps and sports utility vehicles for more than 20 years. The prototype of the Saddle Up Saddle Bag system has been in existence and being tested for 6 months, in production for 3 months, and our first products are expected for delivery in August. We are currently taking orders for these first bags.
Can your product hold up to hard use?
My Saddle Up Saddle Bag system is made to high standards using military-grade webbing, stitching and materials. It will hold up to reasonable intense use, but is not designed for transporting sharp objects or firearms as there is not a security system on the bag.
Where are your Saddle Up Saddle Bags produced?
The last U.S. bag company in Vancouver, Washington. We are proudly veteran-owned and American-made.
How can someone order your product?
Ordering is easy. Either call 208-928-7707 or email jdstage2jeep@gmail.com.
Well, thank you so much for coming on our program today. I think you have a great product and I wish you the best in getting this out there.
Thanks for having me. If I can make the experience in a Jeep or a sports utility vehicle easier, I consider that success.
After the break, we'll be talking about how social media can boost your business in ways you haven't heard of. Right after these messages from our sponsor, Dignified Designs, makers of puzzles for those with Alzheimer's and dementia.